Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today it's day 21 of our $50 to $5,000 challenge. Today we're continuing our journey with Olymp Matix, but this time we're using the RSI as our primary indicator. I'll show you how the robot analyzes the market conditions and manages risk while keeping the strategy simple and effective. If you want personalized guidance during the challenge, message me on Telegram. The link is in the description below. So guys, here is our starting balance for today. It is 2,434 US dollars. You understand, and we're going to be using the RSI, the relative strength index indicator, which helps us identify overbought and oversold conditions into the market, which helps us find great entry points. You understand? So I'm going to be using Euro USD, right? Euro USD for our trading asset for today. Trade duration is going to be 5 minutes, and we're going to be risking an initial trade amount of, let's make 50 initial amount. So I'm going to be a bit aggressive for today's challenge, and I'm going to go for $200. You understand? I'm going to go for $200, the profit target. So we're using Euro USD. So let's go, guys. Today is gonna be scary. I won't lie, it's my first time using $50 as a initial risk amount, and we're using the optimal strategy, by the way, and I've been explaining what does that mean. We can take wins, but then if we lose maybe once, the second trade is going to be doubled the risk. You understand? So that if we win it, we recover the previous loss and make a profit with that. So this one is pretty much the best. I like it a lot. So the first trade has been executed, as you can see right there. $50 trade executed. So let's wait our 5-minute timer, and then we see how we close the trade. You understand? I'm going to do a fast forward as well, so that the video cannot be long and boring, just showing results. You understand? I'm also going to be showing the history. You understand? So this is the first trade of today. I'm going to be showing the history of today's positions. You understand? And we're going to be good, so that I can also show transparency in the performance of the robots of today's session. So today is the 13th of November. It's 1 p.m. on my side. So yeah guys, let's go. I'm going to be uploading this video today as well, so let's see what happens. We're trading live. Beautiful trade on Euro USD. As you can see right there, the trade was executed with precision. The robot was able to predict such a beautiful entry on Euro USD for the sales. We're already up $44. The first trade has been taken. As you can see right there, that's the history of Euro USD, the 13th plus $44. And the reason is the profit for this one is 89% of our risk amount, right? So that's why we made $44 on Euro USD today. And on the previous video, I did explain how these percentages work. You understand? So if you want to know more about how these percentages work, just check the previous video we made, and you'll get educated with that. With that said, we've taken this beautiful buy, and let's see how it works. You can see we're already at the bottom of the RSI, and yeah, the robot just took a buy, right? So let's see how the signal pans out. Well, that's the first loss of the day. It's still fine. Losses are part of the game, but then we are going to recover because we trade the robot consistently. You understand? We've taken a beautiful buy right now, and let's see how it goes. And I like the fact that we just took it at the billions reversal right now, and let's see what happens. The RSI is also at the 30 levels, and that means we have a good chance to have a beautiful buy, because we took a buy at the 30 levels and it didn't play out. But then this one, I have much confidence in it. I trust the robot. As you can see, guys, very beautiful momentum reversal happening there. But then let's wait our 4-minute timer, and then we see what happens. Well, that's sad. That was a break even trade. I almost won that one. Like, we almost nearly won that one, but then it's still fine. That was a break even. The robot is able to do proper risk management. You understand? With risk management properly, just break even and we cut it the day. We didn't lose anything, so that's fine. So now let's hold this whole. This is the third or fourth trade now. Yeah, at $227 US. Hopefully this one wins, because I don't want to be risking $400, because if we lose this one, we are going to be risking 50 something. You understand? But then this is not a game of hope. It's a game of consistency. You understand? And probabilities. So let's just wait on it, and then we see what happens. All right. We took another buy. The RSI is at the supports at the 30 levels. So there's high chances this can go up again. You understand? And we make ourselves a profit of 227. So let's go. Alright, we took a loss, right? But then it's still fine, right? This is where most of the people get discouraged. But then with the robots, we don't do anything. We just relax and trust the system, right? Given my profits are buffer on my account balance, there's nothing to be worried about. You understand? There's nothing to be worried about. So we took a sell right now 482. And let's see how it goes. What a beautiful comeback, guys. What a beautiful comeback. As you can see right there, we just made ourselves 911 USD. You understand? We were in a 3-trade losing streak, but then we recovered everything and in a single trade. You understand? So yeah, that's how Olymp Matix works. So already up $196. We just only need one trade and we're done. You understand? So yeah, man, today's conditions are pretty much good, right? We did have 3 losses, but then 3 losses isn't that much of big losses. You understand? It's just like fine, right? Especially if you risk very well. You know your risk amount is 50. You should be prepared if you lose maybe 3 or 4 trades, how much the multiple is gonna be. You understand? It might be a bit high, but then making sure your accounts can handle that, right? That's where most people get it wrong. You understand? Making sure your account balance can handle 3 or 4 losses, or even 5, right? Make sure you find an amount that is gonna handle, right? Because imagine now if I didn't have enough profits, what would have happened, right? And then someone might come and say, no, I blew. But then it's the way you set it. You understand? We've been trading this robot for some time now. You understand? I do offer VIP mentorship where I help people with the settings, right, regarding the amount you are willing to fund, right? Do not fund $100 and then you come on amounts and then you risk very high. No, you cannot make $1 million overnight, guys. Come on, let's use proper risk management. So right now, that was a beautiful showcase of proper risk management by the Olymp AI trading robot using the settings I configured. You understand? So now let's wait our 3-minute timer and see if this trade is gonna hit. beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful right there. We've hit our target for today. You understand? We made a total of 241 US dollars. You understand? Right. And yeah, man, it is what it is. We killed it, guys. A beautiful session in front of you guys. Session was held live. You understand? Signals were also sent on the VIP as well. The session was shared and we started trading as a team. You know what I'm saying? So guys, yeah, we killed it. We made 241. That's amazing, as you can see right there. And we can go to the history. You understand? So we started trading here. So we took a total of how many trades today? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trades, and then we made ourselves 240 US dollars in total. You understand? It was a good day for sure. 3 losses in a row. We recovered in 1 trade and then we made another profit again. So you see how powerful the Olymp Matix robot is, guys. This is pretty much good, splendid work by the robot. I don't understand why you still not signed up. You understand? Link is in the description of the video on Olymp Matix. And then if you want steps on how to deposit, withdraw, etc., do message me on Telegram and also join the Telegram channel. It is for free, so you can get all the updates in time and you can stay in the loop of any updates and future changes I might have. With that said, guys, it's been an amazing session. We are now up 2,676 US dollars for day 21. We're really reaching that 5k dollar mark. And if you've been with the channel, we started the challenge with only $50, you understand, and we've managed to grow the account to 2,676, and today's profit was 240 US dollars, and that is amazing by the robot's performance. Shout out to Olymp Matix. Remember, trading isn't about winning every trade. The key is risk management and sticking to the strategy. Humans often make mistakes due to emotions, but Olymp Matix avoids that by following RSI signals precisely. So here's a summary of day 21. We started the challenge with 2,434 and ended with a whooping 2,676 US dollars. So we made 240 US dollars profit today. Another successful day. Olymp Matix worked perfectly with the RSI, helping us trade profitably and manage risk at the same time. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Whether you're using the RSI or another strategy, make sure you stay disciplined and manage your risk. If you want personal guidance on how to use Olymp Matix or need any help with your trading strategies, message me on Telegram. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for more trading insights and updates on our challenge. See you on the next video.